Welcome back. Crime Branch has submitted status report of investigation of Cerula Comunidad land scam case. State government informed the High Court that some senior police officers are also involved in this scam. Crime Branch has sought more time to complete its investigation. The High Court has given 3 weeks' time to Crime Branch to file next status report. Crime Branch on Wednesday submitted a sealed status report of investigation of Cerula Comunidad land scam case before the High Court. During the hearing, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni stated that so far investigation has unearthed the names of some working and some retired senior police officers in the land scam. But to book them, more investigation is required. Advocate General also contended that state government also wants this investigation to be monitored by the High Court. Advocate General contended that investigation requires study of many files and interrogation of many suspects. The High Court has shown satisfaction over the investigation so far and has directed SP Crime Branch to submit another status report on the next date of hearing scheduled on 25th August. Meanwhile, the Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar is also an alleged beneficiary of these land deals. NCP spokesperson Trajano de Mello has warned Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar to quit the ministry before he is proved guilty.
This is also an opportunity for the tourism minister to hand over his resignation and cover that shame if the Cerula Comunidad investigation is going seriously. And honestly, there is no doubt that he will be stripped from his ministry.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Nagoya has its own fast patrolling vessel Amal, which will secure coastline of the state. This vessel of Coast Guard will help in search and rescue and interdiction. Vessel Amal will also help in curbing irregularities at sea to much an extent. Amal ship is 55 meters long with a speed of 35 knots. The ship carries 40 crew members on board.
Main role would be search and rescue and interdiction. Whenever some unwanted people are coming in some boat, this fast patrol vessel will be sent to interdict it, board him, check him and seize him if we find there is something irregular with him.
हमारा कोस्ट गार्ड शिप अमल को ये मौका फर्स्ट टाइम मिला है कि गोवा कोस्ट की सुरक्षा हम करें।
आपको क्या लगता है कितना फ़ायदा रहेगा ये गोवा?
बहुत फ़ायदा रहेगा। ये फास्ट पेट्रोल वेसल है जो काफ़ी स्पीड कर सकता है। इसकी वजह से हम काफ़ी हद तक अपनी इंड्योरेंस बढ़ा सकते हैं और काफ़ी प्रोटेक्शन दे सकते हैं गोवा कोस्ट को।
South Africa won the Rugby Championship at the Glasgow Commonwealth Games by defeating defending champions New Zealand. South Africa's victory meant that New Zealand's record run of gold medals in rugby has come to an end. New Zealand had won gold medal in Commonwealth Rugby right since 1998. Rugby sevens is becoming increasingly popular around the world and is also being followed in Goa of late. Meanwhile, Indian wrestlers collected 4 silver medals on Wednesday night.
Taken in by Forbes. Dupree was coming over the top and he wins the penalty. Forbes holding on to the ball on the floor. Here's a chance out the left. Yeah, they're taking it quickly. Dupree taken on by Sanakla, who will go in under the posts. Now, Sanakla, gone.
A tackle there by Warren Whiteby. Then it's the counter ruck and the work to clear the area. 4 New Zealand players on the ground. Webber can't do anything there. And Africa takes it away under the attention of Mickelson, who tried hard to get back across. But the work was done at the breakdown.
In the previous round, she tends to wait and then shoot for the legs. It's Nigerian that gets the first attack in, and look at that! Scores within the first 20 seconds with a double leg. And will she get the pin?
Priority you were talking about, Non. A 10-point lead, and Nigeria have done it again. And I'm not sure he'll have the power to lock him up here and start spinning him around the mat. Or can he? Gets him in a gut wrench. 2 points it is.
And again, Can he do it again? Yes, he can. That should be another 2 points.
And again, I think this will go to 8-0.
In the end, it was 4 points apiece, but the judges gave Cadian a caution, which was decisive, so the Canadians secured the victory.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.